Don again at snapitupcanada.com. You're looking for a dual 8 projector? Place 8mm and Super 8? Well, maybe you want to consider this Bell & Howell 820 CZ. She's a very nice projector. Let's take a look. Turn the motor on. Advance it. And then turn the light on. Not a bad looking little projector. But what's it doing? Let's take a look. So plays 8mm and Super 8. You will note that the top piece up here, cover plate, is missing. If that's an issue, well, maybe you need a different projector. If all you want is just one that works well, you come to the right place.